The WCoin Telegram mini app is a simple and fun game where you can earn in-game cryptocurrency by tapping the screen and completing various missions. It's a tap-to-earn game that lets you collect virtual coins with repeated clicks. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I aim to teach you about highly reputable airdrops so that you can earn sweet profits from the world of airdrops. Let's dive into another awesome airdrop. First, click the link in the caption to enter the WCoin bot and hit the Start button. To earn coins, go to the main game screen and click the large WCoin icon. There are also other ways to earn coins, which I'll explain next. Let's start with the settings section. When you click on it, a new page will open where the bot will ask you to choose your blockchain. Keep in mind that you can only do this once, so carefully select one of the specified blockchains. Now, let's go back to the main page of the program. Next to the settings, there is another option that looks like a wallet. You can click on it and see the roadmap of this bot, your coin balance, and your WCoin balance. At the bottom of the page, you can see the wallet you have connected to this bot or connect a new wallet. Now, let's go back to the main page. In this section, you can view the balance of your coins, and by clicking on the page, you can even increase this balance. At the bottom of this bot, there are 4 sections. The first section is called Boost, and we can enter it. Here, we see various sections, which I will explain to you. First of all, there is the Full Battery section, which you can use 3 times for free to completely fill your tank. The next option is Lucky Dice, where, when you click on it, a dice will appear, and whatever number it shows will multiply the number of your clicks in a limited time by that number. In the Boosters section, you can purchase or activate different parts of the bot for this game. Now, let's go back to the main page again and enter the next section, which is Staking. You can choose one of the available durations that you see. Now, let's move on to the next section, which is the Tasks section. Here, you can earn more coins by completing various tasks. You just need to do a few simple things like following. In the next section, called Mates, you can invite your friends to this program, and for each invitation, you'll earn additional coins. So, try to invite more friends to this bot so they can also earn good profits from these airdrops. Now, I need to explain a new feature that has been added to this bot. To do this, first, you need to enter the WA section. By tapping this option, you can see your number of referrals and your invite link, which you can share with others. Also, by tapping the star, you can view your current league and check the details of your WAI coins and their collection rate. This game is quickly gaining popularity with millions of users already on board. So, for more news and updates, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for sticking with me till the end of the video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.